Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm at Craigdale Road and I have something truly unique to show you. It's 2 beds, it's detached, it's situated just 0.5 miles from Romford Elizabeth Line station, perfect for those looking to commute into London. This immaculately presented home is ideal for those first-time buyers or even those looking to downsize. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch the video today. If you're excited to view this property, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01708 470 756. My name's Connor Victorin, we are Balgors, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon.